The Aprilia RSV4 factory is a superbike designed for precision, speed, and advanced technology. Its aerodynamic body and aggressive black design make it look like it came straight from the racetrack. Every curve and fairing is engineered for maximum airflow, stability, and control. At its heart lies a 1078cc V4 engine, producing over 217 horsepower. Acceleration is lightning fast, handling is razor sharp, and every ride delivers unmatched adrenaline. Advanced electronics keep the rider fully in control. Traction control, wheelie control, launch control, multiple riding modes, and a digital display provides safety and precision even at extreme speeds. Despite its immense power, the RSV4 factory feels balanced and responsive. Braking is precise, corners are conquered effortlessly, and every ride feels connected and exhilarating. This superbike is built for riders who demand high performance, cutting-edge technology, and bold design. The Aprilia RSV4 Factory Black is a masterpiece of engineering combining speed, control, and racing DNA on two wheels.